All right, hey guys, this is Jason, and I just want to give a quick testimonial about the POFU Live event. It is probably one of the, well, it is the best course I've ever taken online, or mastermind, or however you want to call it, because you get content from talking to your customers and how to communicate to your customers and what tools to use and how to get things set up. um, the speakers were just energetic. They were fun. They were everything that you need to build a business online. Because you can build a website, but if you don't have any traffic to your website, you're not going to make any money. Well, then how do you put it all together? Well, you got to have great content and ways of building content and building that relationships with other entrepreneurs online so that you can be successful. So if I had to say which is the best part, I would say all of it, because there is content creation ideas that I would have never thought of, and how to communicate to your customers that I would have never thought about, and how to put it all together, and really how to create processes and procedures so that you can automate the process to make MSI, multiple streams of income, so that you don't have to trade time for money. And that's the key. You don't want to have to trade time for your money, right? You want to make your money work for you. And that's why I would highly suggest joining the next PooFu Live, because I will be there also. Okay. I hope to see you guys, because it's very important to put your mind in the right place. And that's what this will do for you. All right. See you in the next PooFu Live event.